This thing scored higher than anything else I've ever seen. I usually... Okay, here's my old score right here. 3.2 gigahertz Intel Core i5 CPU. 3121. Okay. And you can see, here's an i7 above it. Now these are other people's results. 1.69 gigahertz, 11th gen Core i7. It's probably a laptop. Here's a 2.3 gigahertz i7 4850, 3891. Here's an i7 1165G7, and it's an 11th generation. So these are similar. Okay, so this is, I'm ranked like 4-core 8-thread. Okay, so these are 4-core 8-thread, 4-core 8-thread. So they're basically grouping you up with all the 4 cores. They have 12, 8. Anyway, so we scored 5435, which is really, really high compared to any of my other computers. So this thing must be just like really working well. So I'm super stoked on that. I don't know any other way to test it, to like see what it's gonna do. Pull up my... Okay, so we're pulling up all this stuff. So this one here, I think this one here with the right amount of RAM will outdo all of them. So what I need to do is get DDR4 RAM for that. This is going to be really, really good, I think. So the guy did me right on that, and that'll make a big difference for this computer. I might be able to run OBS Studio without issues now. Let's go see OBS Studio. I haven't been able to do live streams from this computer because of that reason. It's just been difficult. Okay. I thought I had it on the desktop, but we'll scroll through. CMNO. I actually don't have it on this machine because the last time I used this, I had something else. Okay. So we need to come over here and get OBS Studio. I don't know what would really, show me how fast this computer works, to be honest. But I know one thing. OBS Studio definitely can be a pain. So, well, maybe we'll try a stream with this thing later tonight. Now, I need to use specific cameras and things like that, and then I don't want to be using external mixers or extra crap. And I had microphones everywhere before. And it worked, but what I found was the easiest way was specifically for the channel. Vertical streaming attracts new subscribers. Anyway, okay, so did it say that it said corrupted? So I guess if we watch how fast it installs, it might really give us an idea of the calculating power of this processor. It definitely looks like it's going really fast. If you look at the numbers. Okay. Optimized for streaming and recording. And then the biggest problem is going to be I've got to get into all my other stuff. And one other thing I don't like about OBS Studio, I don't like having my account connected. which is going to be a pain. So I'll be back later on because I'm going to have to sign into this thing, remember the password, do all this other stuff. We'll let you know if it works better.